Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting. They brought us to the workshop a Mazda with a PSA engine. This engine really is a 1600 HDI mounted in a Mazda. You already know that these engines are fitted to other vehicles. Apart from Citroën and Peugeot, they are also fitted to Ford. This one had a problem, and it was having a MAF sensor failure. In addition to that, it was burning the engine oil. Because blue smoke was coming out of the exhaust. When disassembling to check the state of the MAF sensor, we realized that it was flooded with oil. Here the problem I had was that it was leaking oil from the engine. It could be, or by the turbo, or it could be by the PCV valve. In this case, the problem came from the turbo. But how did we discover that the problem came from the turbo and not from the PCV valve? Look, this is a very simple test. You let the engine, in this case, as we did, you let the engine warm up, and look, there the engine is already at operating temperature. That is the outlet of the PCV valve. There you can see how the vapors come out. There only steam has to come out. Mainly it is oil vapor. No oil has to come out. No liquid oil has to come out. Look, you can do this test. I did it there, but with your hand, but you can also do it with white paper, you see. The hand is still clean. This means that PCV valve has no problem. The vapors come out perfectly, but no oil comes out. If you are afraid of getting burned, you can do it with a white paper. There you see that the paper has no traces of oil. What comes out there, as I say, it is oil vapor. This is a very simple test to avoid having to change parts unnecessarily. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.